Job Superintendent Noah decided to stop by and check on the progress of the excavation work today. And as usual, the boss gets kind of in the way. Just trying out the excavator, see what else needs to be done to it, what kind of maintenance work we need to do, what kind of bushings and pins need to be done in the boom, that sort of stuff. A friend of ours took the front idler on this machine and has access to a lathe and a mill and all the tools required to fix that thing up right and get it back to working condition. We checked out all the bottom rollers. All those idlers seem to be fine. Kind of checked out the front idler on the side with the track still on it. It seems to be okay. We're going to check the oil in it and change the oil in the final drives, make sure that they're in good shape, get that all serviced up, and then we'll do a complete service of the machine, grease and oil change and all that kind of stuff. It appears that the pin and bushing on the main boom that attaches to the machine itself needs to be replaced, so we're going to do some research on that and see if that can be something we can get done here pretty quick. Supervisor Noah decided to come back and check on progress again. Got a few pretty good sized rocks to move out of the way. Those put aside to line driveway or, make a swale for water runoff, that sort of stuff. And big rock, that's another challenge. We used our big rough terrain forklift to push that big rock down over the bank. It was about all that machine wanted to do. I don't know how many tons that rock weighs, but it is really heavy.